Hi, I'm Mia. My day starts early. Well, I'm a morning person. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. and take a moment to meditate. Meditation helps me start the day with a calm mind. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I get dressed in my favorite clothes, preferring to wear something comfortable. Then I go to the dining room to have breakfast. When I get there, I'd always find my mom preparing breakfast for us in the kitchen. My parents and I have breakfast together with fresh orange juice as my favorite drink. After breakfast, I check my timetable and get ready for school. I take the metro to school. The metro is very crowded in the morning. At school, we have different classes like science, math, and history. History is my favorite subject because it helps me learn about the past and understand how things have changed over time. We have 5 periods of history a week. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends at the school's cafeteria. We talk and laugh, and sometimes we share our food. In the afternoon, I continue with my classes. When school is over, I go home. Once I arrive if teachers have given us homework. I do it first as I want to finish early. Dinner is at 7 p.m. Mom always surprises Dad and me with a dessert at dinner. My favorite dessert is cheesecake. After dinner, I relax for a bit, either playing games or reading a book. I usually go to bed early around 9 p.m. I change into my pajamas, brush my teeth, and then get into bed and turn off the lights. I fall asleep quickly. However, I sometimes stay up late on weekends to watch my favorite. Interesting vocabulary and expressions. Morning person. The term a morning person refers to someone who wakes up easily and feels energetic in the morning. Example. I'm not a morning person, so I find it hard to get out of bed before 8 a.m. Meditate. Meditate is a verb describing the act of spending quiet time in thought for relaxation or religious purposes. When someone meditates, they focus their mind often in silence. Example. When I feel stressed, I find a quiet place to sit and meditate. Timetable. A timetable in a school is a list showing the schedule of classes. It informs students about when and where their lessons occur. Example. She looked at the school timetable to see when her math class was. Metro. A metro is an urban train system that operates underground or on elevated tracks. It's used for city transit. Example. The metro stops at many stations in the city. Crowded. When a place is crowded, it's filled with many people, often making movement or finding space difficult. Example. On holidays, the beaches are crowded. Period. In a school context, a period is a designated time for a specific class, like a math or science class. Example. Her favorite period at school is art class. Cafeteria. A cafeteria is a large room in a school where students go to eat lunch. It typically has tables and a variety of food options. Example. She met her friends in the cafeteria during lunch break. Over. In the context of time, over means finished or concluded. Example. The movie is over, so let's go home. Dessert. Dessert refers to a sweet course typically served at the end of a meal, like cake, ice cream, or fruit. Example. Do you want ice cream for dessert? Stay up late. This phrase means remaining awake until late at night instead of going to bed early. Example. On her birthday, she stayed up late to celebrate with her family.